As many as 3 new models of the iPhone SE2 will test the acclaimed OLED displays, appreciating the success obtained by X last year, thus marking the beginning of the collapse of the era of LCD technology. The stock markets have already sensitively reacted to the news, registering a fall in the shares of the 2 main suppliers of OLED screens to the market, Sharp and Japan Display, by 4% and 20%, respectively. Now these enterprises, in the past, the main Apple donors in this regard, are in a hurry to find out how to organize lines for the production of displays on new technologies, but whether they will succeed or not in order to catch contracts escaping from their hands is unknown, as it is not known and who will be purchased for the new OLED products in the right quantities. Recall that Samsung is doing this now, but it's not a fact that the request for an increase in quantity will be perceived by Koreans adequately. But we all remember the fact how passionately Yabloko is trying to prevent this former chaebol from becoming a monopolist in the market for this technology. True, according to the latest data they agreed, if anything, to ensure the power LG. So, it is possible that part of the orders for the models will be given to them. By the way, the news indirectly confirms what was recently perceived as perfect fiction, when Apple promised to release a fully collapsible iPhone by 2020, which in the unfolded state will correspond to the iPad form factor.